Hello and welcome back to Seaside Garage and part 4 of the Ford Escort rescue. This will be the last video in that series, so I hope, because the next video will be MOT and all the small stuff that needs to be done maybe after that, but the main work on the Escort should be finished up in this video. That means that it will be, in my eyes, MOT ready. There's still stuff to be done. There is the electrical stuff in the interior that needs to be cleaned up, and I need to figure out why it is like that. I have a feeling that the fuel gauge is not working. That could be the reason for the rear budge job at the rear that maybe has not been done right. But none of that is MOT failure stuff. So this should be the last work needed for the car to be MOT ready. And also, I need this car out of here now because I have a couple of cars waiting to get in here. So this will be the last one, unless something really weird happens. You never know when doing stuff like this. What I want to do now is to fit the McPherson strut. As you can see, it's now fitted with a new spring. I've done that off camera, just using those cheap clamps for the springs. I think and hope that this will be the last time I use those crappy small things, because it's a nightmare using them, and they also disintegrate slightly when using them, and I just don't like them. I would like to get a better spring compressor for the future. Anyway, this should just fit up there, just like before, of course, and then it shouldn't be too complicated. Let's try. And then this needs to fit down in this one. There we go, just down in the position. Loopity boop. Like that. And then the anti-roll bar. Like that. And a new cleaned brake disc like that. And also a brake caliper, old and worn, but it's moving and working just fine. I fitted it with new brake pads. Now I should be able to just slide it in. Oh, the other side. Like that. And a new brake line. This is a low budget revival of the Escort. Lots could have been done. It's a survivor. And yeah, it is in pretty good condition. It's a bit rough in areas, but it's surface rust. Most of it. Mechanically, it seems really pretty well. The brakes are just fine. They were not stuck at all. And I'm just changing these brake lines because that's the right thing to do, I think. New brake lines, new brake calipers, not calipers, pads, and discs. I'm not going to do more than that. I'm just gravity bleeding it really quickly to make it easier to do the rest later on. So there we go. I know it has been put together quite hastily, both the video and also the car, but it is now all back together. I bled the brakes. I need to fit the tires. Everything should be fine. I still think I need to do some adjusting to the rear brakes before going to the MOT, but for now it's fine. To be honest, I think it will be a while before I go to the MOT with this car. And before going to the MOT, I will just check everything over. But it should be mechanically ready to go now. I need the space for some other projects now. So the Escort will have to come out tonight, hopefully. So I will fit the tires and all that and drive it out of here. So this will be the end of the rescue mission for now. The next video will be MOT of this car, I'm pretty sure of. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.